Tastes like blueberry.
I ate all. Is my lips dead? I can't feel anything. Does not taste like bubblegum. Hi everyone, and welcome back to another exciting episode of
First Impressions.
P.S. This is not a sponsored video. This is me, Paramita.
And this is Tanishka.
And today we are going to review this Perfect Pout Lip Kit by Pilgrim. Now, Pilgrim's is a beauty brand that does not incorporate harmful and toxic chemicals in their products. Rather, they use ingredients which is very beneficial for your skin and your hair.
Yeah, and these products are 100% vegan and cruelty-free.
Wow.
We are so excited to try these products, and I love how it comes with this cute pouch. Let's open and see.
Oh my god, this is cute.
This is so cute.
I know, I love the color of the packaging. So this combo comes with a lip scrub, a lip sleeping mask, and lip serum. So this combo comes for Rs 1,499.
Oh, that's nice.
So we will be using these products step by step. So let's start.
So the first product that we will be using is the blueberry lip scrub.
Oh, the packaging looks so cute and it's such a cute color. It's lavender. Such a cute color. It's like lavender and it's so nice. It smells so nice.
So lip scrubs help in gently exfoliating and making the lips smooth. So it's good to exfoliate every now and then. This is how the texture looks like. This lip scrub is enriched with shea butter, sugar and squalene. All these three ingredients strengthen the skin barrier and provide moisturization.
Alright, so then let's try this. So the exfoliating beads are really tiny and smooth and it doesn't feel harsh on the lips, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because
it's quite smooth.
So usually while the exfoliating lip balms, they have this like huge grainy.
Yeah, they're generally rough.
Rough, yeah, but this doesn't feel rough at all. I ate some of the scrub.
Tastes like blueberry.
It tastes like sugar. I ate all. Guys, a little goes a really long way. Even though I had almost all of the exfoliating scrub, a little was left in my hand, and even just this tiny bit, it really goes a long way, so you don't have to use much. Okay, I just love the fact that this scrub wasn't so harsh on the lips. It had really tiny beads, and it was super yummy. I had almost all of my lip scrub. It tasted like sugar and some blueberry extract. Lips kind of feels nice and moisturized and plumpy as well. It's nice, right?
Yes,
what do you think?
So the texture of the product was very grainy at first and it tasted very nice and it was smooth, and even after exfoliating my lips feel very gentle and soft. So I really like the product. So this product was nice. Now let's see the other two.
Now the second product is the Peppermint Lip Serum. So this serum is infused with shea butter, squalene and pomegranate extract. Now pomegranate extracts help to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and it also helps promote collagen. And it comes in a really cute packaging.
Yeah, and this also claims to hydrate and visibly plump your lips.
Ooh, plumpy lips. I'm excited.
Me too.
The interesting thing is that it has a metal ball applicator. I think it's going to be really smooth, the application. And it smells exactly like peppermint.
Wait, let me also smell it.
Yeah, but I just hope that it won't burn the lips or something like that.
Yes, it does have a minty smell.
Try it on. Is it burning?
No, not yet.
Waiting for lips to be burned. Is it stinging now? It's not? Wait, let me try. I'm going to use a huge amount to see how plumpy.
Okay, now it is.
Or maybe I'll use a little then. I think it's the peppermint which helps make the lips plumpy, no? Oh, I love how smooth and easy the application is.
So it does have a tingling sort of a sensation after applying it. But it is very smooth and it feels like a clear lip gloss.
However, our lips hasn't become plumpy as yet. I, however, am not feeling the sharp tingling sensation on my lips. It's just here on my Cupid's bow. It's just a little I can feel here.
No, I can feel it on both the lips.
Is my lips dead? I can't feel anything.
It is not that sharp, but it does have a tingling sensation for sure.
Okay, I can feel some tingles, but it's not as bad as those lip glosses who tend to make your lips plumper, you know, that really burns.
Yes.
It's like very mild. It's like you're having a mint and then it's just there, the aftertaste.
For me, I think it is giving a slight plump on my bottom lip and it feels like polo. Okay, so for the last step, we will be using the Bubblegum Lip Sleeping Mask. The ingredients in this are as same as the lip serum.
So the thing about this lip kits I like is how compact and cute their packaging are,
Yes.
right? This smells exactly like bubblegum.
Can I try?
Yeah. I just hope I don't end up eating this as well.
Let's try it.
Let's try it. Does it say how many minutes do we have to keep
I wish
it
there
on?
was a spatula in it.
I know. A mini teeny tiny spatula. It smells like bubblegum. Does not taste like bubblegum.
Ah,
I thought this would be safe.
yuck! It does not taste good at all. No way.
It's very bitter. Usually when I wear a lip sleeping mask, I usually apply it before going to sleep and wake up and then wipe it off. But now, I don't know, like a couple of minutes, I think we should let it rest
Yes.
to see how moisturizing this is. So it has been a couple of minutes since we have this mask on. Now let's remove it and see how moisturizing it is.
So we have taken the product off, and for me personally, I have dry lips. So after using this, my lips do feel hydrated and smooth. And overall, I feel the product is okay. I don't know if I'm gonna purchase this again because it does not taste good.
For me, yeah, the lips feel super moisturized and super supple. I love the scrub.
Yes,
I love the scrub.
really
Scrub
like
did a
the
great
scrub.
job. Definitely, yes, the lip scrub. And serum, maybe, maybe not. Sleeping mask also, maybe, maybe not. But individually, I would definitely purchase the lip scrub. What do
Me
you
too,
think?
yes.
Yeah?
So this was it for today's episode.
I hope this video is really helpful to you guys. Till then, do not forget to
Like, share, and subscribe.
to Select by Pinkfella.
Bye.